Folks, Paulie here, drinking some urine with water, or about to, I should say, also known as piss water, some Miller High Life, champagne of beers, here in front of the china cabinet, which really is not a china cabinet because it was made in the Philippines. Hail and cheers to the Philippines. Good stuff. Yeah, I guess we would call it a Philippine cabinet, right? But I got some chicken cooking, or about to cook. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, looking good. That's gonna be good when it's done. It's gonna be good. But let's go on to the next subject. That subject is the U.S. Postal Service. U.S. Postal Service. I ordered something yesterday. Guaranteed delivery today. Well, I didn't realize it was USPS. I was hoping it would be FedEx or UPS. I ordered it on Amazon. Okay, I was thinking, okay. And I look and it says USPS. Here in Silverdale, the USPS sucks. So, I'm thinking, I got these gates. Let me show you the gates. Now there is my gate. This gate, both spans of that gate, both wings, whatever you want to call it, was open from about 9 o'clock in the morning until just recently. Deeply irritated. So yeah, those are my gates. I had the gates open because the Postal Service will not deliver with gates closed. All right. So I had them gates open after 9 a.m. and I've been home. I have been home. This order to me is very important. I wanted to share it with you guys here in this video. But no, I'm talking about this frivolous stuff. Sitting here with a stupid hat on in front of a Philippines cabinet. I'm checking my Amazon account and it says to be delivered or whatever, on its way, whatever. I'm like, great. Then, bloop, get a little message saying, could not deliver because there was no secure area to deliver to. I'm like, what the hell? So I go out to the mailbox. Let me show you the mailbox. Oh, well, before I go there, I go out to the mailbox and there's a notice in there saying, can't deliver because of gate. Lies! It makes me mad. Here, let me show you the slip that they put in there. Okay, here's the slip. Oh, let's just say that. Let you see that. Okay. Gate. That is the reason. That is her reason. Here's the catch. Here's the catch. I had a note inside the mailbox saying, gate is open. Lazy, slothing woman would not even deliver it. What has happened to USPS? The Seebeck post office sucks. And I'm going to go there Monday because it's Saturday. I can't go there tomorrow. They're closed. Oh, yeah. I tried calling them today, like around 1 or right when I got that information. Closed. You try to call the 800 number. 1 hour late. 1 hour wait to talk to someone. They don't want to talk to you. They don't want to deal with it. They're used to being messed up and stupid. So, yeah, I'll show you the mailbox. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah, and this happened before. So when I went to the post office, I said, hey, I'm assuming she couldn't deliver because of the gate. The guy goes, oh, no, they got GPS in the cars. They cannot back up. I'm like, you're telling me the delivery people cannot back up? I go, that's kind of funny because I live on an easement road, which you'll see here in a second. She backs up to get out of there every day. Every day she delivers, whatever she's delivering, I don't know. She ain't delivering no packages. Yeah, but on our mailbox there's a couple parcel boxes, and anyhow, I'll show you the mailbox. Now we'll walk down to my mailbox and I'll let you guys see that. Okay, we're approaching the mailbox here on the easement road. Over there, that road is 1 mile road, my address road. But here's the mailbox. They gave me box 6. I'm gonna open this just to let you guys know this is really my mailbox. Okay, nothing in there right now. You got these package boxes, parcel boxes, whatever you want to call them, and yeah, what I ordered will not fit in either of those. And the other point here is this lady that delivers the mail here in Seebeck, Washington 98380. Yeah, after she puts the mail in the mailbox, she takes her little car and backs it out. Okay, so are we breaching policy? She pulls up here and puts the mail in, and she backs her ass out. Irritating. That tree is dead. That thing is gonna fall. Hopefully it does not fall when I'm driving down the road. Anyhow, back to the house. Approaching my kingdom, my castle. But this fence, I need to power wash it. I need to power wash it badly. A little chilly out here, nothing outrageous. I am just wearing this navy sweatshirt. Let's get in the house. You see what I'm saying? Really makes me mad. I wanted to show this to you guys today. You will see it when I get it and when I can share it. Really irritates the crap out of me. The government workers like myself are the taxpayer's servant. Start serving. Whatever happened to rain, snow, sleet, and gate. Irritating. I'm sorry to be so heated. When I get kind of thinking a lot, that's when I put on this hat. I guess I'm not thinking when I'm not wearing it, huh? So I got a new subject. Oh, let's check the chicken. This baby's done. She is done. And she's looking good. Looking real good. I don't know if I can just get it off there without dropping it. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Look at that. Going in my mouth. Looking good. I'm liking it. But as you see in the title, It says 2 builds. Yes, I got 2 new builds, and I'm really excited about it. And let me show you what they are. So as far as the builds go, this is my paint booth. I've actually been painting the kitchen. My wife would go through the roof if she was here. She's still in the Philippines, but you can see I have painted some rims, radiator, battery, whatever, firewall. The first build I'm working on, the Galaxy 500 police car. I really screwed up. I was convinced by my friend Stanley Pirino back in Michigan, the great state of Michigan, to do the black and white paint scheme. And you know what? I'm not good enough to do that. I had some running through the tape, and he advised me to wet sand it and paint it whatever color I wanted to. So this is it. Some of you may have seen this in the past, this box, but it was for home brewing, it was for tools, whatever. But now it is for building models. So let's open her up. And you'll see right here, got a magnifying glass because I'm looking at the decals I put on this police car, and I couldn't even see them, so I had to break that out. There's some glue, a knife, we have Tesser's paint, some wet sandpaper, various colors of expensive ass paint, and there's the one I've just showed you, the Galaxy 500 Ford Interceptor police car. And here's the other one. I haven't even opened this. It is the Bronco, the Ford Bronco. Beautiful, beautiful. What year is that? I don't know what year it is. Let me see. It's like the first generation. But yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah, what the heck? It's cold outside. I got minimal time. It's kind of fun to build a car model, whatever. Again, and yeah, I screwed up on that police car, but I think I've redeemed myself with that. Put the decals on. It's gonna look pretty good. I will share it again here on YouTube, and I'd like to do a semi-truck or some military vehicles too, but primarily all cars and, you know, regular trucks, pickup trucks and stuff. They're all going to be Ford Lincoln. My good friend back home in Michigan, Stanley Pirino, such a great guy. He's gone through so much tribulation and really torment and pain, and I pray for him every day, every night. And anyhow, when I was like 20, 19, whatever, him and I would build up in my bedroom where I grew up, and I said, we need to pick a name for our build shop. I didn't call it build, our model shop, or whatever. I want to call it something like Paul and Stanley's Models or whatever. He goes, no, it's a S&P Customs or something. I'm like, Customs? What the heck is that? Now you watch TV and you watch, you know, Velocity or whatever it is now, Motor Trend Channel, and it's all customs, you know. So, man, he was ahead of his time. Stanley, you're a bright cat. But yeah, he's my homeboy, and he's good. He's a good man. He's a good guy. A little persistent. He can get on your nerves a little bit, but he's a good guy. Oh, let's check the chicken.
Back in the day, him and I were talking about
pretty much killed it.
$100 a month.
Yeah, I could clean up them bones a little bit more. I shall. But I pretty much killed it.
I don't get it from the ads.
That was great.
It's the super chat.
Alright, I'm Paulie. Thank you for watching. I'm out.